Hey yo, welcome back to the channel. Oh my goodness. Wasn't expecting this so early. I only ordered this like a day ago. Today's a bit of a different video. Whoop! New monitor has arrived. An MSI MAG 255XF. Instructions, stand, clip, power lead. I know for many product reviews, many people put it as like a top-down view, but I'd have to hook my thing on the ceiling. Oh, this is actually quite light as well. And have to say, this was actually quite cheap as well. This was 140 euros. I was expecting, considering of the kind of stats that this thing has, like the resolution, refresh rate and everything, and considering it being an MSI as well, which is one of the top brands for like computer components as well, that it's you know, it was that. Oh wow, that is so lightweight as well. Tear off before use. No duh. Oh, I see. There we go. God, that's a strong, sturdy, very strong, sturdy base as well. And the good thing is as well, I didn't want to go too much in terms with this because doing the kind of thing that I do, you know, because a couple of days ago, like I just felt like I just wanted to stop. You know, I'm gonna be honest here. You know, I just wasn't feeling good. Some things happened in my life that I just couldn't. I just felt. There was just a lot going on that I just wanted to stop, but I've spoken to someone very dear to me and who's like convinced me to go on, like because I was feeling quite low. Not, I know some people would say it's depressed, but I believe that what I've been dealing with for so long wasn't depression, but more so of anger and upset and stuff, more than just like straight up depression because of certain stuff, you know. And yeah, so and I think you just get to a state of when you're just fed up that you're just like, whatever, you know, I don't care if this or that happens to me, or that I just plan to do this or do that, you know, because what difference does it make, you know. But I spoke to like I said, spoke to someone very dear to me, and we had a good chat, talk about some stuff, so yeah. So I said I'll try my damnedest for her. You know, we both made promises to each other and stuff. So yeah. But anyway, right, that's that part. Right, that's that part done. Right, time for the next bit. Well, now that I've shown how to put it all together, now it's the time to talk about the actual specs of this thing as well. And like I said, considering the price of it, it's actually pretty good as well. Firstly, 25 inch. It's got rapid IPS with 300 Hertz refresh rate as well. So obviously ideal for gamers. with those fast-paced action games and stuff. There's no blurring. It's crisp, clear picture, as you can clearly tell from both the raw footage and the monitor footage that I'm showing as well. It's HDR ready as well, and even comes in console mode as well, so ideal for plugging in your consoles as well. So, and the other thing that's really nice about this as well is that the actual on button itself is an actual joystick as well, so it helps you navigate through the menus as well to change up your different settings to what you want. And along with AI vision, so I think with that 300 megahertz refresh rate as well, with it being AI powered, it obviously helps the upscaling for a nice, cleaner, crisp visual effect as well, and it works really well. You can see like the high frame rate is just absolutely superb, but I would highly recommend this to anyone. Anyway, thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little product review. Take care of yourselves. Always remember to stay cool with it, and see you in the next video.